Hi everyone, this is Joy and it's Everything Diamond Painting, and I've got a surprise today. Wasn't expecting it so soon, but it worked out good because it's for Thanksgiving. And no, see, I haven't forgotten about Thanksgiving. We ordered this from Huacan. And I opened it already, as you can see, because there was no, it came in this bag and there was no name on where it came from. So, and then I opened up the box, but, you know, it just came like this. Just came like this. So there's no picture anywhere of what the painting was. So the only thing I could think of was it was my Thanksgiving picture. I was looking all over for one. So anyway, I'm going to take this out now. Yes, you get a nice standard toolkit with it. Tweezers, stylus pen, diamond painting pen, squishy, and those come in handy too on the trays like this if you use them, because you can cut that little squishy and stick it in the spout here to keep the drills from falling out when you shake it. So yes, I do keep those. And a big square of red wax. Got lots of that. Okay, we'll put that aside. This is what the box looked like that it came in. Okay, nice little pretty flowers there. And we'll shake out, since I tried to, there we go. And here's the drills. I guess no rhyme nor reason for them. They're just kind of stuffed in there. They are in plastic. Oh, look at the 310s. Ah, big bag of 310s. We'll get into the drills in just a minute. But I want to see the picture. Okay, this is how it's come. It's a double-sided tape. Yes, it is. After my last experience, I think I know how to treat double-sided tape now. So I hopefully won't mess it up. All right, I had scissors over here. I'm looking for my scissors. Let me pause for a sec. All right, got my scissors. Let me see how I can cut this open. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there we go. Well, that's kind of opening there. There we go. Get this off. I'll just throw that on my floor here for the time being. Okay, now I know it's taped in here, so gotta get the tape off. I should have my shoot. It's on there tight. There we go. There we go. All right, let's see if we get this open. Very thin canvas. First time I've ever ordered from Huacan. So we'll see how it comes out. Let me get this straightened. Yes, I haven't forgotten about you, Thanksgiving. Seems like we just go from Halloween to Christmas. Okay, nice little foam roller on it. Okay. This is the picture, what it's supposed to be. See if I can get that on there. Where's the camera? There we go. Is it clear? It's a turkey and pumpkins. There, see? All right, that's what the picture is going to look like. And there are 48 colors. This is a 60 by 65 painting. Centimeters. Okay, 60 by 65. 48 colors. There's the legend right here. See it? Yep. And all the way down. Okay, it's how many 310s are in here? Let me see. 310s, 4,913 drills. Yeah, a lot of black background. I'll try to get this open. I'm not seem to getting the whole thing in the camera here. All right, I'm going to try to straighten this out. Anyway, oh, they even have, oh, the tape is still on there from the outside. Let me get that off. Let's see. Ah, tape, 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 tape. It's not wanting to come off there. Here, maybe I can get it. There we go. Pull it off from this side. There. Okay, got it off. All right, I'm going to try to, oh, and this is in, I'm not used to doing this. The camera's at a side here. I'm on my kitchen table today, so I have a whole different angle. But look at there, it's separated into strips. Look. Ooh. Well, we see a little bit of the picture here. Put it up to the camera. The drill field looks really clear. Yep. You see that? So it doesn't look like it's going to be hard to read. And so far, the double-sided tape looks pretty good from what I'm seeing. All right. I'm not going to roll it backwards like I did the last time. Let's see if we can undo some of this just to get the folds out of it. Maybe we can see some of the picture. I know you look all over the diamond painting companies and, you know, everything's all Christmas right now, which I started to work on my Christmas stuff. I didn't think this was going to come in so soon. It's only been about 2 weeks since we ordered it. That's why I was kind of surprised. I didn't really know what it was because I have some other diamond paintings on order. Now let me just pull some of this. Can we see it? Well, there's some of the turkey right there. Get some of this pulled back. Yep, got my head in the camera there, my face. Okay. All right, so yeah, it looks pretty good. The glue looks really good on it. There's no bubbles as I can see, and I'm hoping not to ruin that. Yes, doing one really helped me understand double-sided tape. Well, there's the turkey head right up there. You see that? There's it here. Let me turn it this way. Can you see it better now? Which way am I going? Does it have to go this way? Yeah. Okay, there. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay, so there we see the turkey head. I'm not going to unroll this all the way. I did that last time and it messed me up. So there's the turkey head. You know, and all the pretty, a lot of beautiful fall colors in here. Look at that. A lot of beautiful fall colors. Let's take a look. All right, so we got the top, and it looks really good. So I'm going to put this back down. I'm not taking it off. I'm just going to put that down and flatten it out here. And then we'll, I like the way it comes in different sections. That way I can just use this as my release paper, which that's what the covering is, this opaque. See, now I'm, you know, if you haven't watched my other video, this is how double-sided paintings come, and the double-sided tape can be picked up and pulled off because it's just laid there on a sheet. I can show you my other painting one up in the corner in the iCards to show you my opening of the other one. Now see, the only problem with double-sided is sometimes it'll come off with the tape on top, so you just gotta, well, at least it came up a little bit here, but not enough to ruin the picture. So that's good. All right, so I'm gonna unroll this a little bit. And I'm gonna unroll this one a little bit. It's the only thing you have to worry about when you take these off is that it doesn't pull up the tape since it's just layered in on a sheet. It's not poured glue like the paintings we get most of the time. All right, I'm checking out the glue here. Oh, boy, that's going to be pretty. Checking out the glue. Blue looks okay. And let me turn it around this way. And we'll pull this last side up here. Yes, it looks very nice. I'm very pleased with this painting. First time I've ordered from Huacan. Now let me try to get it in the right direction here so you can see it. There we go. Whoop. Where's the rest of the painting? I'm looking at my monitor up here, seeing how I'm doing. That's why I look like I'm looking up all the time. I have two cameras going today, one to see me, one to see the camera, you know, the monitor. So if you see me looking around, that's what I'm doing. Isn't that pretty? And then the pumpkins on the bottom there. I have this camera over here and I'm trying to get it. What am I doing wrong? There. There, well, you can see it. There we go. My hubby's over here helping me. Wave, honey. You didn't see his hand. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Anyway, so you get the drift. There's some turkeys down here, and the pumpkins, and nice fall colors. So this is my Thanksgiving picture. I looked all over for one. I had to go to AliExpress and on Amazon and look for, well, we went to AliExpress, not Amazon. I thought I got Amazon and went to, okay, so scratch Amazon. We went to AliExpress. Anyway, it all looks really good. I mean, there's no bubbles as I can see, and I'm going to treat it like, what should I treat it like, feathers or something, to be very gentle with it. So I'm going to cover this up right now. So now that you can pretty much tell what the whole painting is, I'm going to put this tape back there, and I'm just going to use this as my release paper, and I'll just cut it in sections. I don't want to ruin the painting. There we go. Let me get this done, and then we'll go through the drills. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And there, look, it lays nice and flat. Oh, I'm so pleased with this one. The other one was my fault for my nail lady. I messed that painting up, but this one I'm treating with kit gloves. Okay. So let's move this aside, and let's get these drills out here. I don't have to worry about messing them up when I open the package because they didn't put them in all neat anyway. So just going to open these up to see what they look like. Oh, big old package here. All right. So just kind of dump some of them out. I'll show you that big, here's that big package of 310 drills. Look at that. Look, big old package, big old package. Woo! And the drills look really nice there. Oh, and this is a square painting. I forgot to tell you that from the beginning. It's a square painting. So the drills, big package of 310s. And here's some other pretty colors. Oh, I like the burgundy colors. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Yes. And they look like nice drills, huh? They look like pretty nice drills. Yep. And nope. This way. Nope. This way. How do I get it under the camera? There we go.
Toward you.
Toward me.
Right there.
There. There. Okay. See those pretty ones? Nice fall colors. Here's some plums, kind of. Some more colors here. Look at that. Pretty, 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 huh? Yep. Okay. So I think you can tell down here. Let me see if I can make this a little closer and you can look. Make it a little closer. All right. There's some really pretty colors in here. Look. Look at that. Really pretty. And they're nice drills. Huh? They're nice drills. All right. See, I can't get it toward me, honey. What do I do?
Toward you.
Toward me.
To your right.
To my right.
You went way too far.
I went way too far. There we go. There. All righty. So, anyway, you get the drift, huh? You get the drift. The painting, I gave you the measurement is 60 by 45. It cost me $16. No shipping, like $2 and something cents tax. So pretty reasonable. Looks like a really nice painting. Ooh, and we got some whites. And you know me, I'll probably change and put some ABs in somewhere just to make it shine, maybe on the yellow or something. I'm going to have to start working on this right away so I get it done for Thanksgiving, at least to put it out for one day, huh? Anyway, here's all the colors. And we got 3371s. Those are kind of brownish black, if I remember. But the drills look really nice. Look, really nice. I don't know if you can see with the glare, but they sparkle pretty good. So I think I'm going to be very pleased with this. Anyway, so there's my my Thanksgiving painting. I'm happy now. We searched and searched and finally found this. So anyway, I'm going to let you go now. And oh, yes, subscribe, hit the bell for future videos that I put out, and hit the like button. And they're all underneath the video, so you know where it is. And if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and do it. The one thing I keep wanting to remind everybody, I'm in the process of going back through all my videos to change my Facebook page on it, because I deleted my group page and now I'm just using my personal page. So I'm in the process of changing that so that if you want to go back to my first videos, you'll have the right link to get to my Facebook page, because that's where I'm putting all my pictures and stuff now. So I don't think there's anything else I need to add. Just hope you have a great day and enjoy. It's kind of rainy here in Washington, so it's a stay in the house day. I'm going to start kitting this up, and when I get it kitted up, I will come back and we'll start on it together, because I need to get it done. Okay. Anyway, have a good one, and be good. All right. Bye-bye.